Okay, stop playing around.
You'll be playing around when we eat these nuggets.
Okay.
What? Okay. What are you doing here?
I'll wear my hat.
Hands, it's on the table.
Okay.
Okay.
No, hands down, flat on the table, palms down. All right.
Wait, what is this?
First nugget. Try
What
it.
is this?
What chicken nugget is this?
All right. Filling.
Ooh.
Okay.
This is Popeyes.
That's a Wendy's.
This is Wendy's.
That's a Wendy's nugget, isn't it?
What is
Yeah,
it?
It's Wendy's.
Is that a Wendy's nugget?
Is it? Is it?
Tell you at the end.
Huh?
I'll tell you at the end.
Okay.
It was small and it tasted like Popeyes, but
Okay.
it's Wendy's.
The next test.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Oh.
Mmm. That's a McDonald's nugget right
Yeah,
there.
McDonald's. McDonald's. I can taste it. It did not taste
Okay.
good.
Listen here.
Yeah?
I'm an old fat man, so you need to. You're gonna yell at the next one first, all right? Before I do.
Okay, next one.
Ooh. That's Chick-fil-A nugget.
What is it? Have you eaten it yet?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, he's already eaten
What
it.
is it?
Chick-fil-A.
That's Jesus chicken right there. That's the Lord's chicken. That's Chick-fil-A.
That means the last one is Popeyes.
There's two more.
Stop.
There's two more. Next one.
Oh. Ooh, this is juicy. Chick-fil-A is hard juicy like that.
Eat it.
Oh. That's Popeyes.
That is Popeyes.
It's regular chicken.
That is a chicken tender connoisseur over here.
Okay. Last one.
Last
Huh?
one? Ooh. That's Wendy's.
The last one?
Yep. Ash, you sure about that? You want to try it again? Try it again. It's on your plate. Try it again.
Oh, I know what this one is.
Then you say if you know.
What is it?
Oh.
What is it?
We didn't get what I'm thinking though.
What do you think?
What do you think of?
I'm thinking that this is a Stop!
Well,
What is it?
Oh,
What is it?
that's Popeyes.
No, that can't be Popeyes.
That's McDonald's then.
No.
No.
It's not Wendy's. It's not Chick-fil-A. It's not McDonald's. And it's not Popeyes.
Wait, what?
Oh.
Those are all the ones that we have.
Now we have 5 choices. Don't peek. Yes, you are.
I just need to scratch my eye.
Well, the whole internet's going to see you peeking. What is it, Daddy?
What is it?
Yeah.
You want me to say?
Cash, you got
Cash,
it?
Come on, you eat this all the time. This chicken. What is it?
Oh, wait.
It's your favorite place to go.
Mia's.
Correctamundo. All right, Mia's.
Can we take our blindfolds off?
Yep, take your blindfolds off.
Whoa. hurt. Wait, we got it right. Got it right.
I can't get my blindfold off.
Take your hat off. Take your hat off.
I'm gonna put this slip knot on back here, but it ain't a slip knot.
Oh,
What the heck?
you need some help over there?
Man, I got long hair to.
Just rip
I
it
gotta
off.
just pull it up.
Oh. Woo.
We got it right.
Oh, we got it right.
Yeah.